What's up, beautiful ladies and gentlemen? How are you? Peace and love. It's Chris Lord. Don't panic, you're under my umbrella. Ibotic Super Classic, reporting live from Classic and TV. Peace and love, my people. What's going on? Ụmụ ibe ndị be anyị ekene m unu Igbo bụ Igbo kedu nke na-eme na ụmụ ibe ekene ekene oyi ekene afọ kene nkwonsị ndụ mmiri ndụ azụ egbe welu gobele nke si bi ebe na nkụ ya akwụ ya na ya dịka echinechi ara agwụ agwụ n'iru ka ya na-agakwa n'ọbịala Igbo anyị ewukwa n'onwe ya si mmiri ata na ma azụ anwụ na nwa mmụọ egbu na nwa mmadụ ma nwa mmadụ egbu na nwa mmụọ ka anyị mbilikwan ka ibilikwan ka mbilikwan. So my people, what I'm talking about today is the demonization of African spirituality and culture by Nollywood. You have to understand something. There's been a psychological warfare going on in Africa for a very long time. You know, the oppressor understands that to control a man, you have to control how that man thinks. It's very easy, but people think it's a very big deal. It's not that hard. Just control the man's mentality. Control uche, otu o si eche uche. Saa anya isi ka o kwete n'ife ikwu, o kwete n'ife otu gị na-ekwu, o kwete n'ife afa gị n'azụ igogolie. You get me? So and at this point, I no longer even. I still blame the white man somehow, but at this point, I no longer put the whole blame on them. Because I'm not the person that will blame everybody else for my shortcomings and my failures, you know. Sometimes you need to also take the blame. You know. I blame our people. They have made themselves tools, puppets that they've been using for a very long time to basically brainwash and control their people. You know, Nollywood has been a very big tool that the white man has been using for a very long time, you know, to brainwash and demonize the African, especially Igbo culture and traditions. You know, you take a look at the kind of movies they've been making for the past 30, 35, 40 years now. You know, movies they've been making even before we were born. You know, it's all focused on demonization of the African Igbo culture. You know, you'll be seeing movies like movies like where a village is so timid, they are killing themselves, they don't know anything. You know, all these things. Then a young man will come from somewhere like a reverend father, a pastor, and basically come and liberate the village from maybe and all the evil that is going on in the village. You know, the pastor or the reverend father that they are going to use is going to just basically be telling the people that our ways are wrong, that we are doing it the wrong way, that our culture, our ways are evil. You know, they just want to promote the supremacy of that their white god, that their sky daddy, that their imaginary white god. You know, that's one of the reasons why your reverend fathers wear white anyway. You know, white supremacy, because they are all agents. They are working against their own people. You know, so many of them are actually good people, but you cannot be doing good under the umbrella of evil. The foundation of what you're doing is evil, you know, so you can't tell me you are doing good with it. You have to come outside of it. That's why so many of them, when they find out after they've been made deacons, they will resign. They don't want to become a reverend father no more, the honest ones. And some of them, you know, after being made reverend fathers, when they get to find out, or when they get tired of the whole brainwashing, the whole make-believe and the whole pretending, they will just resign and go get married, and people will be seeing them as bad people, you know. So that's it. They understand, some of them understand that they are agents, that they are being used against their own people. And sometimes I don't blame them too much, because so many of them don't even know what they are going into when they are basically in seminary schools and all those stuffs, you know. But back to what we were saying. So the young man that is a reverend father or a pastor will basically come and heal the sick people in the environment. color in the science and oil and the metallurgy because Alosi they boy Alosi cannot kill any innocent man. Alosi cannot harm anybody that is truly innocent, you know. So, but they will come and project it to be like our oracles, our ways, our Alosi is evil, it's bad, and they will be promoting the supremacy of that their white imaginary god, you know. Grandfather or the pastor go try to make you understand and believe that there is no power in your ways, that is wrong, that it's evil. You know, they'll keep, you know, and you know it's very, very, very easy to spread lies and false information. Just keep repeating a lie. Say it 3 times. Say a lie 3 times. Say it 4 times. Say it 100 times. It sounds like truth now. It becomes the truth. You know, as na so that's why our place is conquered. That's how they basically conquered our place. You know, all the Nollywood actors and actresses, they know the truth. You know, apart from the fact that 90% of them are all gays and all these stuff they do before you get into the system. Apart from that one, I don't even hate anybody else's sexuality. When you get to realize that what you're doing is evil and non-African, you're going to change. So I'm not here to attack your sexuality. That's not what I'm here to do, you know. But they understand that they are all puppets and agents. They are being used against their own people. And only one thing, you don't understand that the forces of the land are against you. They are against you. Because you are a tool that is being used against your own people. All these people that you've been used to brainwash, that the oppressor has been equipping you, giving you script to act for your people, because they just go and get our people that are very good in expression, very good in acting, very good in pretending, very good in lying. They will get them and make them actors, make them entertainers. They will come and be entertaining you, acting all these things for you, you know, demonizing our culture, finding every way to make our culture look evil and bad. You know, because they understand that the religion is not really deep into us. Because even that old man that is in the church, that always go to the church every now and then, when things get really rough, get really real, when things he doesn't understand keeps happening around him, that old man or that old woman will go to the native doctor, you know, to try to find out what's really going on. You understand? So the white man don't want that. They want, that's why they tell you that your ways are not working on. They know that there is power there. They know that that's where your true power is. They don't want you to go close to it at all. You get me? So that you will be easy to be conquered and be controlled. You understand? So they understand that if they turn you against your ancestors, because there's something a lot of people don't understand, that we don't really worship these stuffs, these deities. We worship God, the Almighty. We worship Chukwu Okike, Amadioha, through these things. Just the same way you carry your cross, your cross, your crucifix, your Mother Mary. It's the same way we use our own. They copied Christianity, is just the copy of Ordinana. They copied our way. You understand? And they will be telling you that our own is idol worshipping. It's not idol worshipping. How is it idol worshipping? We make an altar that we use to communicate to our ancestors. Some of these altars were made by our ancestors, our great grandfathers. That's the only way we communicate to them. So that you will conquer us, so that you turn us against our ancestors. And let me tell you something. You that has turned your back on your ancestors, your offspring, will turn their back on you too. You that is cursing your ancestors and demonizing your ancestors, your own children, the next generation that is going to come through you will curse you as well. Apart from the fact that you're going to suffer, because check the life of most of these Nollywood actors and actresses. Check their life. Check how they die. Mysteriously. The kind of disease where they kill them, HIV, liver failure, kidney this one, they die mysteriously. Disease where you know if you know their name, now they kill them. This is how our ancestors get back at them, because they think they are going to do all these things because they offer you money, give you fame. You think you're going to do all these evils you are doing against your own people and get away with it. No. Some of them will have the mindset of, I've made the money, I'm living good now. You don't know what is coming for you tomorrow. You don't know what is going to happen to your children. Most of you, your generation is going to be wiped out. The only advice I have for you is to use this same platform that you've gained and do the right thing. I don't need to tell you what to do, because y'all know the truth. This is one of the reasons why I've refused to do anything with Nollywood. You understand? I don't want to be equally yoked with them. I don't want to 100% identify with them. I don't have any problem with many of them. Peter Doche is my uncle. Yole Doche is my cousin. What have you done for me? Nothing. You understand? Because maybe you understand that that I would not want to do the same thing. All of you. Although Pete is trying, my uncle is trying. There are some scripts he doesn't play. There are some things he doesn't, project and play. But yeah, let's tell our people the truth. It's time. Let's tell our people the truth. It's time. This thing is not favoring us. You are pushing a psychological warfare against your own people. You're brainwashing your own people. And let me tell you something. The hearts, the spirits of these people you've lied to, you've been used to brainwash, are going to fight you. That's why for her, been don't come. Rich slaves, happy slaves. They look good, they are so famous, and you think they are living a good life. Go and check them, check their life and check their families. Many of them are living miserably. Many of them, check their lives. Nollywood has been used for a very long time to project, as in to promote rituals, blood money and all these things where they promote. That's why they will tell you, the average Yoruba man will tell you that Igbo people only live blood money that they do. It's because of Nollywood. That's why Nollywood is projecting. Nollywood is making almost every African believe that the Igbo man cannot make money without doing evil or doing ritual. And that's a lie. The Igbo man works so hard. The Igbo man is so smart that he's going to come to your place and conquer you peacefully without no gun. Turn you into a tenant in your own place peacefully. You understand? Nollywood, they use Nollywood, and they use Nollywood, they project evil about Igbo. Especially in Dubai, on Dubai can they use when they made this thing. After Reverend Father of millions come and do it. Let me see you. Come, let me take you to my shrine. Come and do that prayer. Let the place burn. If you don't drop dead immediately, take my life. I'll commit suicide. I've been dead to come to church, that if I come to church, the Holy Ghost fire will kill me. I came to church, the Holy Ghost fire did not work. You had to call police to arrest me. I gave the police 6 hours to release me. They released me in 5 hours. Are you crazy? Napoala, are you mad? You don't have that power you claim, and you know it. They are the ones promoting these pastors. That's why a pastor will own 3 private jets. And people are cool with it. You pay your tithe, your offering and everything. Agwa and Ebugi, and you're cool with your pastor having 3 private jets, building hospitals and schools you cannot afford. And you're cool with it. They are the ones sponsoring these pastors. Okay, let's talk about, leave pastors alone. Let's talk about cultism. Nollywood now the #1 thing where they promote cultism in Africa. Many of the young boys within Nollywood, they are all cultists. You go see them, they go to cap, they go to promote their this thing. Some of them, they don't go use the names of the real cults. But what you they project, what you they put for the minds of the young people and say, if they want to be like you, they will have to be a cultist, they have to be this, be that, be that. You they promote rituals, blood money. This is not the African culture. There is no such thing as rituals and blood money in African culture. It's not possible. It doesn't work. You will kill people, you will sacrifice your mother, you sacrifice your daughter, you sacrifice your children for money. It doesn't work. Go and work hard. It doesn't work. Yet it does exist somehow, but what these people do is they will get you to kill your mother, kill your child, kill your loved ones, to make you kill your conscience, just to make you kill your conscience. They will be the ones to give you money. All these things you see them acting in Nollywood, make sacrifices, make sacrifices. It doesn't exist. It doesn't work. They go comment section the other day. The man, they beg them, could I leave me? I'm just an actor. But why would you be acting this kind of thing continuously and you want people to believe that you're not this kind of person? It's not possible. They will make you kill your conscience, make you do all these evils so that you will be heartless. And they will just give you the money. Money in a man, they print money. All these things you see them act. You see, you after killing your mother, you go inside your room and you see a bag of money. It doesn't happen. It doesn't exist. Come and do it. Let me see. Come and do it. Let me see. Why are you deceiving? Nollywood has been a poison to the mind of the average African, regardless of your tribe. As long as you are constantly watching Nollywood movies, your mind is being poisoned, knowingly and unknowingly. People do things, especially kids. I was seeing the other movie the other day, rated 16. I'm like, this kind of movie, a 16-year-old girl and boy watch this. In the next 1 week, they want to start practicing those things they've watched. Most of us are victim of circumstances. You are victim. You become what you constantly see, what you constantly hear, the kind of movies you watch, the kind of things you see. Catch them young. You go to play all these kind of things for young kids. You go to catch them young. As a child, your first 6 to 10 years, you don't even know anything. Your conscious mind don't even perform that high. Then it's your subconscious mind, and your subconscious mind learn things without your own permission. You go to do nonsense music, they do nonsense movies, promote evil. 90% of your Nollywood actresses are all prostitutes. I don't have any business. I'm not against you. You can sell your body for all I care. That's none of my business. But you're teaching it to young girls and making young girls feel like this is the normal way. The average Nigerian young girl wants to be like Genevieve, wants to be like Tonto Dike. Now check the life of these people that are mentoring these people. I'm not against anybody. I'm not saying they are not good people. Genevieve, Tonto, they might be good people off camera. But the character you are being used to promote, if that's not your character, I don't even believe, because what you give, what you are, you cannot give what you don't have. As I did now, I go come the act a clown when I'm not a clown. I go come the act a snitch when I'm not a snitch. Or I go come the act evil when I'm not evil. I can't do that. So if you can really play all those kind of roles very well, that means you have those things inside of you. And you are mentoring young people. You are mentoring young people. Young people are looking at you. And most of these people, they don't even let their own kids watch these things because they know it's poisonous. They know it's poisonous. It's wrong. Cultism. They promote cultism with movies on a daily. The average Nollywood movie, cultism, prostitution, ritualist. Most of these people are agents of your government. They protest. They go come, they follow us, they protest. Don't be you give the government the power. They are using your people to program and project their evil agendas. I've told you the meaning of television the last time. It means tell a vision. This is the vision. This is what we want people to believe in. This is the kind of character we want people to have. The people of this generation, this is how we want them to be seeing life. They will be using movies to act those kind of things. And as long as you're watching those kind of movies steady, listening to those kind of music daily, before you know it, those things become you. It is very simple. So people do not realize the power of the media, the power of the television, the power of the music, movies, and all these things. It's very powerful. You have to use it well. See, all of una Nollywood people, make una know how una go take do am. I'm going to help the little way I can. But now una go do am. Now una go do am. Una way do am. Listen, there's something y'all don't understand. Nature have a way of fighting back. Nature have a way of fixing itself back without your permission. So if you don't want to do it, nature is going to make you do it by force, or raise other people that are going to do it. You understand? You need to start making the kind of movies that is going to enlighten people, that is going to make people understand that our ways is true. You need to start telling people the truth. That same platform you've used to demonize our culture, you've used to demonize our tradition, you've used to demonize our spirituality and our people. You must have to use that same platform and preach the good about all these things you've demonized. If not, now HIV, cancer, kidney failure, name them. All these diseases now go to kill now. You see all these deadly disease where, in fact, the disease where the ancestors they come up with now, no, we never even seen them before. Check their lives now. Check how they all end up. Now. So you that is trying to go into Nollywood to go and do the same thing the person that is mentoring you is doing or has done, get ready. So please, y'all need to stop this. Ogazi Agago, the play time is over now. It's over now. It's time for people to wake up. It's time for us to liberate our people. Y'all should fucking quit playing. They add more of comedy for you. You laugh. They laugh like mumu, suffering and smiling. To be a proud Nigerian is to be a suffering and smiling hypocrite. To be an African with no knowledge of self. A self-hating Africa. And you are so proud of this nonsense you are doing. For your mind now, if you do all this evil, you go wrong, go America, go UK, go hide. Nothing go do you. Allah Otu. Water na water. Sun na sun. Air na air. You can't run away. Nah, don't know what's in the come. No know what's in the come. No know what's in the come. My own advice is do what's right. I hate sounding like a preacher. I'm not a preacher. I'm just telling you. It's a warning and it's a promise, and you will see it happen to you and your children. Peace and love. Y'all should stop watching these poisonous Nollywood movies. Stay tuned. Classic and TVs, we are going to be. Okay, just stay tuned. I don't want to say too much. Stay tuned. I don't want to tell you too much. Just stay tuned. Peace and love, my people.